Something's making me think we're gonna have a blast today. Oh my god. Manual, let's go. Oh my god, this is what I... Oh! I don't know. Alright, let's see in race mode how it performs. Yeah, the sound is not bad, but a lot of it is played through the speakers. But, you know, let's go. Listen to this engine, bro. Even though we all know it's kind of played through the speakers, but who cares, man? It's kind of crazy how this is just a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Like, how crazy is that? Let me go manual. Oh, there's not enough space. Okay.
L'hai cambiata perfetta prima. L'hai cambiata perfetta prima.
Holy shit! I love this fucking car, man. Oh, he's going left. You already know what that means, right? Oh my. The brake feel, bro, is so good. You gotta try this out, man. Oh my god. Oddio mio, devi provarlo per capire. Oh my god. Oh my.
Invece in quanto l'hai fatto?
Oh shit. What? Alright, it's time to go. $160. This car cannot grip any better. Holy. This is awesome. I shifted late. I shifted late. I know. Oh, yo. Oh, GT3 RS. What? That was a good shift. Oh, this is what I like to see, baby. Oh my god, this is what I... Oh. Let's go. Oh my god, in second gear. I literally reached him right now. Oh my god. I'm not gonna go full attack mode here, but like full, you know? I shouldn't really short shift like that. Oh, I fucked up. I don't really know the road, so I'm sorry about that. Oh. Oh my god. Nessuno supera, un po' paura. Ma wow! Ah, no, pensavo ok, no.
Pensavi tipo Ferrari.
Sì. I thought it was a fucking Ferrari.